With this pattern, you're going to get the small booklet and the mini booklet version as well. Here's how to fold them. For the mini, you're going to fold it in half along that center line, and then you're going to accordion fold up the two sides right along those lines. Then fold it in half to get a crease there. Along that dotted line, you're going to just cut the dotted line. Then you're going to gently fold it over and then fold it, and there you have it. You can fill in all your information of yarn and hook size there. And if you want to, you don't have to, you can trim up the sides. Now for the small booklet, you're going to have 2 pages. You're going to fold them in half twice, and then you're going to lie them side by side and tape them together on the outside and also tape them together along the center. So there's your mini booklet and your small booklet. All the links are in the description and the first comment.